So today is day 3 of Vlogmas. We're probably gonna finish the little ornament, and I have to wash my brushes because they're real dirty. So we're probably gonna get to do that, and then just relax for the rest of the evening. It is currently I looked at my hand like if I had a watch. It's currently I think 7 o'clock. I got here pretty late. There was a lot of traffic. But yeah, welcome to Vlogmas Day 3. Hey y'all, so I just sat down. I just got a chance to sit down. It is 11 o'clock and I'm about to start on my little ornaments. We'll see how they go. I'm gonna show you the products that I will be using and where you can get them. Okay, so if you guys remember, yesterday we worked on these. I went ahead and did 2 coats of matte white paint, and they look pretty good. I like it. That gives you a better idea. So today we're gonna go ahead and give it more of a distressed look and dry brush it. Okay, so this is basically what I traced it out to look like. You can see right here. Let me see. There you go. You can see the lines right there. They're very, very light because I obviously don't want them to be super bright. I just need a bit of a guideline. Alright guys, so this is what it's gonna look like. I see that they're a little crooked, but it's not meant to be perfect. This is just a DIY project. So I went ahead and used both of those colors to make the lines. And then I'm gonna wait for it to dry and I'll go over it with the dark color and the light color with dry brush, and then I'm gonna sand it down. So I'm gonna do the other one off camera and then I'll be back. I'm going to grab this dry brush and dip it into here, swirl it around, and I'm going to dab this onto the paper to try to get all that excess paint off. end up with, I'm going to go in with the lighter color and do the same thing. So this is what we have here. You see how it has a much like distressed look, a much more distressed look. On this one I definitely tried to emphasize on the edges. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with the sandpaper that I was using yesterday, and I'm gonna try to distress it a little more. And after that, I think we're gonna leave it at that. And we'll work on finishing it up tomorrow. Okay, I don't know if you can see the difference between the two here, but this one looks much more distressed than this one. This one has a little bit more of a rougher look. It looks, the lines look much more, what do you call it? They look much more, like much darker than this one. This one looks a bit more faded, and this is the exact way that I want it. So I'm gonna do the same to this one. I'm going to do the same thing that I did yesterday, and I'm just going to grab this wipey and run it through. Alright guys, so this is what we are left with. I'm just going to explain to you what I want to do to it now. Alright, so I wanted to grab, see if I can show you. Okay, so I wanted to get like a Christmas bow and put it right here. And I wanted to grab some like leaves like this and put some poinsettias, about like maybe 1 or 2 on here. Or maybe not even do the poinsettias, just do the leaves, because I think the poinsettias will make it look like too much. And just in cursive, I wanted to put our last names here. So I wanted to do that for both of them. And this could either be hung up on the wall, you know, or if you could just, you know, like leave it sitting up on something like this, or you could even place it. I'm sorry, if you hear somebody running around, that's Camilo. Or you could even place it onto the tree, like stick it in a space that like has a rather large hole in it. That way, you know, you can hide the hole. So yeah, you could place these in several spots. But yes, I'm really excited about this. Are any of you guys trying to do DIY projects? Are you doing this specific DIY project? Like, are you using this specific one? If so, let me know down in the comments. For this video, thank you so much for tuning in to Talking with Tiana. Don't forget to follow me on social media. I am on Instagram, Twitter, and you can go ahead and subscribe to my channel. All right, guys, I'll see you tomorrow.